Welcome to the second module of chapter Electricity. In this module, we are going to study in detail about electric current and potential difference. What is electricity? It is the rate of flow of electric charge. Electric current is equal to net charge divided by time. More the charge, more will be the electricity. If Q the net charge flowing through a conductor in time t, then we can write electric current I is equal to Q by T. Now, what is the SI unit of electric charge? It is Coulomb, and it is represented by capital letter C. What is 1 Coulomb? It is constituted by 6.24 into 10 raised to 18 electrons. So, what will be the charge of 1 electron? Charge contained in 1 electron is equal to 1 by 6.24 into 10 raised to 18, which is approximately equal to negative 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 Coulomb. Now, what is the SI unit of time? Seconds. So, the SI unit of current will be equal to Coulomb divided by seconds, that is Coulomb per second. It is also having another unit, ampere, represented by capital letter A. This is used in order to honor the scientist Andre Marie Ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 Coulomb divided by 1 second. Other smaller units of current are milliampere and microampere. Now let us see how current is measured. Let us look a schematic diagram of a basic electric circuit. This is showing cell, battery, the next bulb, here plug key. If there is a dot inside this, it is a closed circuit, and if there is no dot, it represents a open circuit. Here we have ammeter, which is used to measure electric current, and this is always connected in series to the circuit of which the current is to be measured. Note that the direction of current is in the clockwise direction here, that is from positive to negative end of this battery, and it means that the electrons move from negative to positive, that is in anti-clockwise direction. Now, can consider two beakers containing equal amount of water. Can we make water flow from one beaker to another through the pipe? It is very easy. We can raise the height of beaker 2 so that water flows from beaker 2 to beaker 1. What actually happened here? What was the factor that made the water to flow? In symbol, it's the height. Influence of gravity and pressure can also be said here. In similar way, for the flow of electricity, we need a reason. What is a reason for the flow of electricity? For that, we can consider a conducting wire. Will the current flow through the conducting wire if we keep it without connecting to any source of electricity? No. So, what is a factor that triggers current in a conductor? That is called the potential difference. Potential difference is a factor that triggers the flow of current through a conductor. What is potential difference? What is potential difference? It is just the difference of electric pressure between the two ends of the conductor, which is made with the help of a battery or cell. It is also referred as voltage. It can be defined as the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. Potential difference V between any 2 points is equal to work done divided by charge, W by Q. Work done is measured in joules and charge is measured in Coulomb. Then what is the SI unit of potential difference? Volt. It is named after the scientist Alessandro Volta. Now, let us see what is 1 volt. 1 volt is equal to 1 joule per coulomb. And voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference. It is connected parallel to the circuit of which the potential difference is to be calculated. So, potential difference is equal to work done by a charge, and its unit is volt. So, in this module, you have studied about electric current, potential difference, their SI units, mathematical expression, and the device used to measure it. Thank you, dear children.